Hello, and welcome to another episode of 5 Minutes with Franza. In this episode, I'm going a bit old school. I have to upgrade my computer. I don't have to. I want to. I'm a nerd. It's what I like doing. So, I'm going to bring you through it. So what we're going to do is going to be a several-part video. First part is prep work that we need to do ahead of time. Now that we got our parts, second, what I like to do is I go through my old system and I make a list of all of my software. I know, old school, but a list. So from the operating system to the drivers to the programs that I'm going to be using on it. So we have our list. Second, gather that stuff for the list. So make sure you have all those disks readily available. There is nothing more frustrating when you're going to build your machine to find out you don't have the parts you need. It's kind of like when you're building a closet and realize you need wall anchors and have to go to just one day. So we get that. Okay. Next thing you're going to want to do is a part you're going to need is a USB flash drive or thumb drive. On this, what you're going to do is you're going to copy off all of your data. Don't do it once, don't do it twice, do it 3 times. Meaning go through. Each time you do it, you're going to find something else. Make sure you back up all of your documents, all of your pictures, all of your videos. There's nothing more frustrating than I have people come to me and go, Tom, I just wiped my hard drive and I had pictures of grandma on there and they're gone and my family's going to kill me. How do we get it back? Data recovery is a pain in the neck. It's expensive. Let's try to avoid it if we have to. So I back up all of my data to a NAS drive, but the important stuff that I'm going to need right up front are here. The other thing that you're going to want with this is you're going to go and you're going to download the latest version of all of the drivers you're going to need for your new system. For the hardware, right? I got a lot of Razer stuff, so I got the Razer Synapse software on here. I have an NVIDIA graphics card. I got the graphics card drivers on here. All of the drivers for my Asus motherboard are on here. So that way, when you're going to do the software part, after you've done the hardware install, you got everything you need. There's nothing more frustrating than you do the install, you try to go online in order to download the patches you need, and sure enough, you can't because you don't have the drivers for your network card. It's happened, so don't let it happen to you. Other things that you're going to want to have: pocket knife, very handy for opening your packages, and sometimes you have to pry something. Screwdrivers, okay. Phillips head is pretty much all you need, but sometimes I find a little tweaky helpful. A little bit odd, but camera, okay, because cell phone. But what you're going to do is you use this to take pictures along the way. One, it's kind of cool because you can remember how stuff is, but also because in case something goes wrong and you have questions and you need help, being able to send somebody pictures of what you have is very helpful in trying to troubleshoot and diagnose. If you've got a backup PC, that's good because I can always look at videos and other helpful stuff that I may need along the way. Another thing that is very useful: flashlight. Okay, I like this one because I can put it on my head so my hands are free and I can see. Last but not least, I'm old. I need glasses. So when I'm trying to look up close, I need my cheaters. When it's really bad, yeah, I got to use this. But we do what we got to do. But that's basically what you need to have. We lay stuff out ahead of time. Plan. It makes things go better, okay? But back up your data and just back it up multiple times. Just trust me, because every time I do an upgrade, I lose something, and I still go crazy trying to back stuff up. So just be prepared. That's what us scouts do. So again, just a short list: drivers and data, the hardware you need, and take pictures. It's worth the memories. That's basically what you need to get going. If you think there's any parts that I'm leaving out, do me a favor, add them in the comments below. I think building a PC is one of those fun things. While it's not cheaper, it's fun, it's exciting, especially if you're a nerd like me, and being able to build your own machine to tweak it exactly the way you want it is something that is enjoyable. If you want a video on how to pick those parts and stuff, let me know. I can put one together. That could be fun too. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the first part of this series useful. I'm your host, Dr. Thomas Franza, and thank you for watching. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. All right, ready, Oreo? Catch.